Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here and make a quick video about the replacement filters for the XREXS mini vacuum cleaner. So I've actually reviewed this vacuum cleaner before here on my Amazon page, and I actually gave the vacuum a pretty good review. Again, for spot cleaning and stuff, this is really good to keep in your car or just to keep something. Again, it's really small and it's actually quite powerful for its size. But like any filter, any vacuum cleaner, the filters are eventually going to need replacing. Okay, these are not washable filters. These are one-time use filters, and to change them out, they're going to be super easy. I mean, really, there's not much on this, not much to this vacuum. It's actually really well designed. Basically, you give the little dust cup up front a quick little twist, and then this is going to pop out. The motor goes aside there, and then if I can do this one-handed, I can pull out the filter. As you can see, I've been using it before. There's the dust cup. Let me just go empty this out real quick. All right, now that that's empty, basically, if this filter were really dirty, I mean, this is brand new. I've used it like twice. But basically, if this filter were dirty, you would throw this out and then go grab the new filter and pop it right in. But again, since this filter is still good, it still has plenty of suction. It essentially just give it a firm press into there. You'll kind of feel the rubber. It's hard to describe here and verbalize, but you'll kind of just feel it slide in there, and then it just basically twists onto the motor, and then your filter change is complete. And again, I can't really do this with one hand with my phone on my other hand. But again, neat little filters, real easy to change. It makes it real easy to service this vacuum.